you learn if you came on one of our pet first aid courses? Well, to start off with, we teach you how to examine your dog. We teach you how to establish what the norm is for your pet and how to carefully examine them and understand and look at their mucosal membranes and understand what are the normal values for your pet so that you can swiftly identify if there is something wrong. We then go through the really serious side of things. So we look at how to establish if your pet is unconscious or not, how to work out if they're breathing, how to open their airway, how to put them in a pet recovery position, just as important as a human recovery position. We look at pet CPR. Yes, you can give pet CPR, and we've got mannequins here that allow you to feel if the pet has a pulse, and also to give CPR and to understand how a dog's tongue is different from a human's tongue and how it can block the airway. We look at bleeding. We also teach you how to muzzle a pet. Really important, because a pet that's in pain may behave differently to how they would normally behave. So your most precious and docile friend might snap or even bite you if they're in pain and they're in distress. So really important you know how to muzzle a pet, and also when you really shouldn't muzzle a dog. So we go through that, and you will have a go. So all this is practical and hands-on. We'll look at burns, head injuries, poisoning. We'll look at common food poisons and common non-food poisons that are around and about your home and are dangerous to your pet and you might not even realise. We'll look at how to help if they have a seizure. And really importantly, we'll look at how to help if they're choking. And we have these choking vests that you can see they're sporting here, which allow you to actually have a go and feel what it's like to help your pet if they were actually choking. So we cover all that and a whole lot more on our 3-hour courses, and everyone goes home with an accompanying book, so full colour first aid course manual and a certificate that's valid for 3 years. So that's what you would learn on one of our courses, whether you are a responsible pet owner or whether you are a dog business owner and you want to ensure that you give your customers peace of mind that you know exactly what to do and how to help their precious pets should something happen.